Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to show you a lot of crafty activities. So let's start with the first one. First we are going to make this easy bee. This is so cool. Just give it a try. All you just need is some colorful sheets of the paper, scissors and the glue stick and you are done. Next, we are going to show you how we can make a frog out of some colorful sheets of the paper. This activity is again very simple. All you just need is some colorful sheets of the paper, markers and the glue stick. This activity is best suitable for the small kids between the age group of 7 to 8. With the help of some colorful sheets, we are going to show you how we can make an octopus, and we are using red sheet of the paper. Then I have just cut down these red color strips and then I'm going to fix them with the help of the glue. I'm going to add the background as well. Our next activity is a little bit time consuming. First we are going to trace down the circle using the plate. After that you can just make the pattern. This is actually the pattern of the snake's body and we are going to show you how we can make this. If we will talk about the difficulty level of this activity, then this one is medium difficult and it's a little bit time consuming because you have to add some additional steps like making of the tongue and other things. This is so cool. Thank you.